Hi, I want to welcome you to Relational Database Design, where you'll learn how to design a relational database. My name is Chris. I'm a software engineer and a database architect. I've been building solutions for over 30 years and want to share my knowledge with you. At the end of this course, you'll know how to create and use conceptual models and entity relationship diagrams to design and build relational databases using SQL Server, MySQL, or PostgreSQL using database normalization concepts. During this course, I'll take you through the database design process using a case study. First, we'll look at the requirements and build a conceptual model of the database. Then, using simple English, I'll walk you through database normalization concepts. Next, we'll design the database. Finally, we'll build it using SQL scripts. This is the right course for you if you're new to relational databases and want to learn the best practices for creating a high-quality database. If you have a new project at work or need to prepare for an interview, use this course to help you. All you need to get started designing is a willingness to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description and then join me as we create your first database together.